Hey everyone, if you want to change age on Roblox, then here's how to do it. First, you just need to open your Roblox application. Then simply tap on this three dot button or the more option at the bottom right corner. Scroll down and you will find settings. Tap on it, and from here you just need to go to the account information. In this account info section, you will find the personal section where you will find the birthday that you have set for your Roblox account. Now, if you want to change the age on the Roblox, then you have to tap on this pencil icon here, the little pencil icon. So you can just tap on it, and from here you can see that you can update your birth date. So I'm going to select date from here, the month, the date, and the year, the birth year. Now tap on continue, and it will just easily update your birth date. But before that, you just need to go through the two-step verification if you have turned off the verification process or the two-step verification on your Roblox. So if you have set a Google any authenticator app on your Roblox account, then you have to go to that authenticator application, then select the code, and you have to enter that code here, paste that code before the time runs out, just like this, not like here. Now tap on verify, and here you can see it is just verifying me through the two-factor authentication. Now it is just it has just easily updated my birthday on my Roblox account. So that's pretty simple. Hope you like this. If so, then give us a thumbs up.